Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where luxury meets comfort and every detail is designed to inspire. Today, we're taking you inside some of the most breathtaking wide-view living rooms that blend elegance, functionality, and natural beauty. Imagine stepping into a space where the indoors flow seamlessly into the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls open up to infinity pools, lush greenery, or panoramic ocean views, letting sunlight pour in and fill the room with warmth. This is the essence of modern luxury living, a perfect balance between style and serenity. The first thing you notice in these spaces is the sense of openness. High ceilings and open concept layouts make even compact areas feel expansive. Arched doorways and clean architectural lines guide your eyes naturally from one section of the room to another, creating a visual journey that is as relaxing as it is inspiring. Every element in these living rooms is chosen with care. Neutral color palettes, soft creams, warm beiges, and subtle grays form the perfect backdrop for natural textures like marble, wood, and stone. Plush furniture, cozy seating arrangements, and elegant decor pieces not only elevate the aesthetic, but also ensure comfort and functionality. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating ambiance. From warm, recessed ceiling lights to strategic accent lamps and natural sunlight streaming through expansive windows, each living room is designed to feel inviting at any time of day. During the evening, the space transforms into a cozy haven, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests, with the outdoor view providing a serene backdrop. Indoor-outdoor living is a highlight of these designs, with terraces, patios, and infinity pools just steps away. The transition from interior elegance to outdoor beauty feels effortless. Adding greenery and potted plants not only softens the space, but also brings life and vibrancy to every corner, making the room feel fresh and connected to nature. Luxury isn't just about size or expensive materials, it's about attention to detail. From subtle decorative accents to statement furniture pieces, each living room tells its own story of comfort, sophistication, and style. And whether it's a beachfront villa, a Mediterranean-inspired home, or a tropical retreat, the underlying principle remains the same. A luxurious living space should feel open, airy, and effortlessly elegant. So, whether you're planning your next home makeover or simply looking for design inspiration, these wide-view luxury living rooms offer endless ideas to elevate your living space. From architectural details and lighting techniques to furniture arrangements and decor choices, every element works together to create a home that is not only beautiful, but also welcoming. Thank you for joining us today at Modern Homes and Gardens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stunning interior design inspirations that transform everyday spaces into extraordinary luxury homes.